In the world of manufacturing, efficiency is everything. And in recent years, one tool has been quietly revolutionizing the way we work, and that's cobots. These collaborative robots are more than just machines. They're partners, helping companies overcome challenges from labor shortages to improving safety. In this video, we'll explore the 10 reasons why cobots might be the game changer your facility needs. Hi, my name is Bryan Sample with Automation Nation, and I had the chance to sit down with HESCO's cobot specialist David Hughes to dive into how cobots are a promising tool for manufacturing. The first thing David talked about was how cobots could solve the growing labor shortages in the manufacturing world. Labor shortages and aging workforce are major challenges for manufacturers. Cobots are stepping in to fill these gaps, handling tasks that are hard to staff while making operations more efficient.
It's any industry that is probably finding it difficult to hire people. If there's an industry where you have an aging workforce or a workforce that doesn't want to do dull, dirty, dangerous tasks, people don't want to be doing repetitive work all day long. It's not really interesting, it's not stimulating, it could lead to injuries, repetitive stress, things like palletizing. People don't want to be moving boxes all day long and putting them onto a pallet. Robots are really good at doing repetitive tasks, and they can alleviate people to then work on more interesting things.
As David points out, cobots don't replace human workers, they complement them. By automating repetitive tasks, cobots allow your team to focus on higher value activities that require creativity and problem solving. Modern workers want jobs that are safer, more engaging, and technologically advanced. Cobots deliver exactly that, making them an attractive option for younger generations entering the workforce. And as workers grow more comfortable with automation, they can learn new skills like optimization and programming, building a workforce that's future ready. Safety is one of the standout benefits of cobots. Unlike traditional robots that need to be fenced off, cobots are designed to work alongside humans thanks to built-in safety features.
The safety is built into the cobot. If any of the joints detect a force outside of what it's expecting, then the cobot will stop. There's other things that you can tie in with existing safety measures like light curtains. You could have the robot slow its speed, and then when that issue clears, then the cobot can go back to going to a faster speed.
This means you can deploy cobots in spaces where traditional robots might not be safe, improving both efficiency and worker confidence. When compared to traditional robots, cobots come with significantly lower upfront costs. They require less infrastructure, no safety cages, and minimal downtime for reconfiguration. And because cobots are more energy efficient, you'll save money on power costs over time, a perfect segue into our next point. Cobots are built for energy efficiency. Many models use smaller motors and consume less power than traditional robots, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice.
Some of the newer robots are using, gravity to basically move the robot, which is saving money on the moving the motors. There's definitely some savings benefits as compared to an industrial robot. They're going to have bigger motors, going to draw more power, and they move a little faster. But if you have an application that doesn't require huge speed, cobots kind of move at a human speed, human strength.
This aligns with the growing focus on sustainability in manufacturing, giving you a competitive edge with environmentally conscious customers. Cobots are compact and versatile, making them ideal for facilities with limited floor space. They can be mounted on mobile platforms and easily redeployed to different workstations. This flexibility allows you to optimize your layout without costly renovations, keeping your operations lean and efficient. Programming cobots is simple and intuitive. Many models use drag and drop software or allow operators to manually guide the arm to set waypoints.
Yeah, a lot of them are a lot more user-friendly. The traditional industrial robots tended to be programmed by coding, typing in a certain syntax-based programming, whereas a lot of the cobots now are more of a graphical, user-friendly programming. A lot of them, you're able to move the cobot in a drag mode to the position. You save the positions into the program, and then you basically can create some waypoints. It's a lot quicker, a lot more intuitive than, say, actually having to type out a bunch of code and making sure that you don't forget a certain step. And because they're safe, you can run them at slower speeds and then ramp up the speed to meet the application. So they're a lot easier to program than the old industrial robots.
This ease of use means you can deploy cobots quickly and train your team without needing advanced technical expertise. Cobots deliver high precision, with some models offering repeatability within 0.03 millimeters. This makes them ideal for tasks requiring consistent accuracy, like quality control or medical device manufacturing.
They do it repetitively and accurately. The accuracy is also something that's pretty big. Some of them go down to 0.03 millimeters of repeatability, and even lower than that.
By reducing errors and improving consistency, cobots help you maintain high standards and reduce waste, essential for competitive industries. Modern cobots are integrating AI and advanced vision systems to perform real-time quality inspections, detect defects, and even optimize workflows based on data.
Currently, AI is becoming more and more used in a lot of different areas, and AI is definitely being utilized in industrial automation. That's definitely going to be more prevalent. There is some of it right now, especially with vision, when you start adding cameras for quality inspection and things like that. And the future is where, the robot is going to be able to spot things that even somebody with perfect vision can't spot. There's certain cameras and certain wavelengths that humans can't even see, and they can spot defects in things a lot quicker, and then the quality of your product goes up.
This means cobots are not just tools. They're intelligent partners, helping you adapt to an ever-evolving industrial landscape. Investing in cobots is about staying ahead of the curve. As automation becomes more sophisticated, adopting cobots now positions your facility for long-term success. Cobots give you flexibility to innovate, adapt, and scale, ensuring you're ready for the challenges of tomorrow.
Absolutely, yeah. The more and more that you can integrate newer technologies, you're going to stay ahead of the curve, and you're going to be able to not only retain employees, but attract people that are interested in newer technologies. Younger people always tend to pick up technology a little quicker. They embrace it, and you'll be able to attract people, whereas if you're working on technology that's 20, 30, 40, 50 years old, it's not very exciting, and you're not going to be able to attract those high quality employees, and I think that's kind of a very big competitive edge, where you're going to be able to get people in that not only embrace technology, but then can excel with it.
Cobots are more than just machines. They're partners in building safer, more efficient, and more innovative facilities. From improving safety and reducing costs to empowering your workforce, cobots are redefining what's possible in manufacturing. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Automation Nation. Drop any questions you may have down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. See you next time.